to go ahead and make a thumbnail right here. I'm just going to make a thumbnail. Wait. Look right there. Wait. No, thumbnails when you make you don't know what that is. This is a thumbnail. A long thumbnail. And then you know what I really want to do? Put Mentos inside of Coke and watch it explode. But we ain't. I won't have my phone at church. I want to make a YouTube video on it too. Like once you do it, I want to be able to have a YouTube video on it. Nanny, you even if I did take it to church, you wouldn't let me. Nanny, you never have. Have you ever let me?